Hi everyone, I am Jeenal Mirjadi and I am from Gujarat, and today I would like to share with you how Wellcure has played a major role in improving my eye issue. So 2 years back, I was diagnosed with uveitis in my left eye. The whole episode was very stressful. I had to be on steroid oral tablets as well as steroids eye drops for almost 4 months, and the whole episode was very painful, very stressful. My eyes were red, but after taking steroids and few antibiotics, after like 4 months my eyes was quite normal. The vision was also very clear. But just last 4 months back, I again had the same episode in my left eye. Again I had uveitis, and this time it was not that severe, but it was there, and that clicked me, why this is happening again and again. Once I had already, I was on steroids for almost 4 months, and I didn't wanted to spend another few months on steroids and on antibiotics and eye drops. So I came across Wellcure and Dr. Prashanti and Asha ji through Instagram, through social media. I connected with them. Initially, I just attended a free workshop that they are conducting online, and through that I had their personal contact, and I got connected with them, and they just made few changes in my lifestyle as well as in my eating habits. But initially I thought, what changes would it make, just shifting few of the food habits, like from this to this, how much change will I be able to see? Initially I didn't trust, but later on, when I saw the results, my vision was getting clear, my eyes became clear, the redness completely vanished. My doctor said, this was impossible, but this just happened within a period of like 2 months, within 2 months, just with certain changes in my eating habits, in my food, in my daily lifestyle. As per what Dr. Prashanti and Asha ji recommended, I followed everything, all the raw foods and lot of things, like majorly like 90% of changes were done in my food. I'm through it today. I am not on any kind of medications, no steroids, no antibiotics, completely zero medications, and this is all only because of Wellcure, who guided me to eat the proper food at the right time, and that's it. And that helped me, and I'm grateful that I got connected to Wellcure at the best moment, at the best time, and they treated me naturally without any medications. So that's the best part. Thank you so much, Dr. Prashanti and Asha ji and the whole Wellcure team. Thank you so much.